Hey guys, welcome back. Out here in the shop today. Today we're talking exhaust for the 64 Fairlane. So I got some parts here that we want to try and we plan on using. As I'm sure if you guys watch my videos, you know that we're putting a 347 in this. It's actually 342 cubic inches. So it's 302 base small block Ford. And we have the hooker 1 5/8 polished ceramic coated, the 62 to 65 Ford Fairlane with a small block Ford headers in it. And they're beautiful headers. I mean, they fit nice. Looks like they would clear the shock towers. That's what they're intended for. That's why they're kind of a different design. But this motor is 12.33 to 1 compression, solid roller cam. I think I want to try a bigger tube header in it. And now that I cut the shock towers, I'm moving to these. We're going to see if they fit today. They're BBK 1 3/4 Fox body Mustang long tube headers. So I'm hoping they'll fit. We're going to find that out. I'll show you some of the other stuff that I got here. The car is going to have aluminum exhaust, 3-inch. It's from Hum Racing Mufflers. I bought their builder kit. So it comes with a pre-made X pipe. I just take these tubes on there, some extension tubes, some of their round mufflers, some V-band clamps. One side's aluminum, one's stainless. So these will go on the header. Cut the flange off and just weld these on there. And some miscellaneous other pipes and aluminum hanger, so you can make hangers. I still plan on getting their tailpipe kit too for the car, but for now this is enough to get me going. So I guess next we're gonna pull those hooker headers out of there and hopefully these Fox body headers will fit. Let's get to it. So far it looks like it fits in there pretty good. Actually has, looks like quite a bit of clearance for the steering shaft still. We'll have to see how it comes out underneath the car as far as placement, how low it hangs. This side tends to have a little bit more, seems to have a little bit more room than the other side does too. Over there, the bell housing kicks out a little bit more for the starter. Well, there they are. BBK 1 3/4 5-speed Fox body long tube headers. They fit in there beautifully from the top. And they dropped right in. Plenty of clearance with how I cut the shock towers. Look to have plenty of clearance for the steering shaft. You see the headers kind of sweep back out of the way a little bit right there. The steering shaft is going to come from here and it'll sneak down through right through there. They do look to hang a little bit lower. We'll put this thing up in the air too, but right now you can see underneath. They hang down a little bit. Not horrible. Let's get it up in the air and look at it from the bottom. You see they hang a little bit lower. Man, they fit perfect though. Look at that. Clearance around the bell housing. Clearance for the starter. Clear the shock towers really well. Plenty of room to the body. Over here too. Those are nice. They'll look really good with the rest of the aluminum exhaust in there.